Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm making this koose from tamal. I have my beans powder here that I'm just adding into my mixing bowl, and to that I'll be adding some water into it, and I'll use my whisk to whisk it continuously. This is a popular snack in Ghana that we usually enjoy with hot porridge, which we also call koose. So I'm just beating this or whisking this so it is very light. I'm adding potash, that is kanwa, to it just to make it light for me. You may decide not to add the kanwa if you don't like it. So I'll continuously whisk for about 10 minutes so that I'll get the fluffy nature of it. I just added chili pepper, some salt, and I'll be adding these onions to it. So I'll whisk it for additional 3 minutes. You can see the texture has even changed and it has increased in size. So I'll just put my pan on fire and I'll let it heat before I fry my koose. So I'll just drop a little into the oil to see how hot it is. You can see that it's floating on the oil, so meaning the air in it was perfect. So I just scoop with this my spoon into the oil, and I'll repeat this so everywhere is occupied with this koose. One has to be flipping it, if not one side will get burnt or another side may not be fried properly. I'll continuously fry this till the color changes to golden brown, then I can take it away. This requires some patience. So with the remaining mixture, I just added some little water, and I'll dip in my sugar bread to coat it with the beans flour mixture. So I'm just going to make the koose bread, that is coating the bread with the mixture and then frying it. This is also another form of enjoying your koose. I just drop it in and I'll continue to flip this one too, or turn it, in order for it to fry uniformly. After some minutes, it is fried, and I'm taking it also to place it on my plate. Please, I entreat all viewers to kindly subscribe to this channel, and to my old subscribers, thank you for staying tuned always. I now do this smaller koose, that is what we call bura for the children. They like it this way, so I just did it to give it to them to eat. I'll be glad to hear from you after you have made your koose. So we are just going to enjoy our koose with our porridge. Hope to see you next time. Bye.